All right, for math, I'm just going to review some addition. I'll do some addition and subtraction with you. You should have this paper. This is a different paper I photocopied for you. When I was photocopying these, yours might have a line up your mind. It was the paper in the book is longer than the sheets of paper in the copier machine. So some parts, some of the top is cut off, and some parts I had to write on. I didn't write on my paper, but I had to write numbers on some of these. I cut some of the bottom numbers off. So it's okay if you can't get write your name is best. It's always good to practice your name. But that's just how the copier machine was, because papers just weren't long enough. So that's why they look like that. But let's first review some addition and subtraction. It's always good to practice those. Let me make up some story problems off the top of my head here. Let's say, Farmer Brown picked 3 apples. Let's write our 3 here. We have 3 apples. Okay. He went back and picked 2 more apples. I should have left more space on the end here. How many apples does Farmer Brown have? Wow, I write so crooked. So crooked on here. Let me fix this up a little better. When I'm trying to write upside down, I don't exactly write that neat, do I? So we have 3 plus 2. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many apples does he have? 5 apples. Okay. So let me put up 5 apples here now. So Farmer Brown has 5 apples. I'm going to make 5 circles for my apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he has 5 apples. He gave away 2 of the apples. Remember, we're going to put X's on the last 2. How many apples does he have left? 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. Remember, when you're doing subtraction, first number is all of them. Second number is the ones with the X's. And the last number is the one without X's. Okay. Let's do another one. Oh, let's talk about cheddar. Let's make cheddar do something. Cheddar, I'm going to put squares on, are going to be slices of cheese. Cheddar had 6 slices. Oh, wait. No, let's do it this way. Cheddar had 3 slices of cheese. Mrs. Brown gave Cheddar 3 more slices of cheese. How many slices of cheese did Cheddar have? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he had 6 slices of cheese. So now I'm going to erase this. You know what? I'm going to leave this up to kind of compare. This will be a little way to compare. So now we know Cheddar had 6 slices. I'm trying to write on here. It's moving for making me hard for me to write. 6 slices of cheese. We have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he had 6. He ate 3 slices of cheese. So let's put X's on the last 3. How many pieces of cheese does Cheddar have left? 1, 2, 3. So you see how we have our 3, 3, 6. We have 6, 3, 3. It's just kind of opposite. See that? I'm going to do another one like that for you. All right. Let's do something with Mrs. Brown. What could cookies? Let's talk about cookies. So Mrs. Brown baked. Let's do 4 cookies. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So she has 4 cookies. She baked 4 cookies. She went back and baked 3 more. How many cookies does she have now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cookies. Okay, so now she has, we'll put this 7 down here, 7 cookies. There's our 7 cookies up there. She gave away, start from then, 4 cookies. Let's take away 4 of them, okay? Let's put X's on 4 of our cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cookies does Mrs. Brown have left? 1, 2, 3. You see how we did that? 7 minus 4 equals 3. 4 plus 3 equals 7. You see that, how the numbers are switched around? Alrighty. We'll practice some more of those as time goes on. I'll keep doing little things like that with you to keep you up on your addition and subtraction. But right now, this week, we're going to talk about money. I want to keep up with our money for you. So we're starting off easy with pennies. We already did learn about pennies. Pennies are 1 cent, and there's a picture of, these are what the older pennies looked like. Our newer pennies, you should have some in your little manipulatives book. In this book, you should have pennies in the somewhere toward the middle here, a sheet of pennies that you can punch out if you want to practice counting by pennies. When you count by pennies, they have some of the older ones and some of the newer ones in here in your sheet of pennies there, new and old. So you should have a sheet of pennies there that you can punch out and you can count on your own. I have some in class here I would have used with you. So you can use those to practice at home. Counting by ones, you're going to need your nickels and stuff too, but this is the ones that they show up here. So trace your 1 equals 1 cent. 1 penny is 1 cent. So when you're counting pennies, you count by ones. Okay, so how many pennies, how much money do we have here? 1, 2, 3. And this little sign with the C with the line through it is a cent sign. So how many cent? So this says 1 cent. So we're going to write 3 here. And we have 3 cents. That's how you answer the problem. 3 cents. So let's count how many cents do we have here for the green turtle. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many do we have? 4 cents. Okay, let's count how many cents do we have here for the yellow star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're going to write 6 cents. 6 cents. All right. Turn your page. This is an easy one. We're starting off easy. It's just easy little review stuff. It will get harder as we do other money. We'll learn other monies. So they have the first one's 8. Let's just count though. It's always good to practice counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's like 4 plus 4, is 8. So trace your 8. Okay, let's go down to the green turtle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cents. So write a 5 there. 5 cents. Let's go down to the yellow star. Let's count how much we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cents. 2 rows of 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. All right, you should have 10 written there. And then the last one, the red heart. Let's count how many we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to write 9 cents. Okay. Tomorrow, we're going to start talking. Oops, my paper's moving. Okay, tomorrow we'll start talking about nickels. Nickels are worth 5. So we'll be counting by 5s with the nickels. So I'll teach you that tomorrow. Also, I want to talk to you about even and odd numbers. That's something that we haven't gone over that's in this book that'll be review stuff. So I'm going to teach you how to figure out even and odd numbers. We'll go over that tomorrow too. All right, so get out your Bible. We're going to talk about Peter being rescued. So that's your Bible lesson. Today will be about Peter. So get your Bible pages out next.